there, kiddos! Today I'm going to be reading you this book called Black Bears by Tammy Gagne. Black bear habitats. Black bears are common in North America. They live in many different habitats. Some roam in forests, others live on mountains. Color and size. Most black bears have black fur, but some are brown or blonde. Their size varies. Bears in the north are larger. They weigh up to 900 pounds. Fun fact, a few black bears have white fur. They are known as spirit bears. Climbing and swimming. Black bears are big, but they are not slow. Black bears are fast. They can climb trees. They are good swimmers too. Fun fact, a black bear can outrun the fastest person. Avoiding danger. Black bears escape danger quickly. They run away if they are surprised. They climb up a tree. Some even run away from butterflies. Sharp senses. Black bears have great eyes and noses. This helps them find food. They also have good memories. They remember where food is. Black bear food. Black bears eat fish. They also eat plants. The bears find berries and nuts. Some even eat insects. They eat ants and termites. Winter. Food is hard to find in the cold. Black bears hibernate in winter. The bears climb into a den. They stay still for months. Their hearts beat slower. This lets them live without eating. Raising cubs. Black bear babies are called cubs. Cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years. Fathers do not help raise cubs. Adults spend most of their lives alone. Fun fact, cubs are born blind. Their eyes are closed. They open their eyes after 1 month. Growing in numbers. Black bears live in large territories. About 600,000 of them live in the wild. Other bears have become rare, but black bear numbers are growing. Fun fact, people are the only predators black bears have. And right here is what they call the glossary, black bear facts and words to know. Black bear facts. Size, they could be 86 to 901 pounds, and they could be 47 to 79 inches. Their range is North America. Their habitat is forests, mountains, and swamps. Number of babies, normally 2, sometimes 1, and sometimes 3. And food, fish, berries, nuts, insects. Words to know. Den, a hole or cave where an animal lives. Habitats, places where plants or animals naturally live. Hibernate, to pass the winter in a resting state. Predators, things that hunt or eat other animals. I bet you didn't need me for that. You guys are bear experts. I hope you have a great day and you enjoyed the story. See you soon.